If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. How about having a bowl of hot soup on a winter evening? So here's my today's recipe, tomato soup in an easy manner. You can enjoy this soup before your meals or just as is with a side of garlic breadsticks. Don't forget to check my other soup recipes.
Please note the ingredients needed to make tomato soup. List is also given in description below. First of all, take 2 cups or 500 ml of water or pani in a pot and put some salt or namak and let this come to a boil. After which, add in tomato or tamatar cut into pieces and cook these tomatoes on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes until they are cooked well and you would see the skin comes off these tomatoes. So turn off the heat at this point and puree the tomatoes. Any type of blender or mixie can be used for making this puree. Time to strain this tomato puree. Discard the seeds. And we have clear liquid. Put it back in a pot and cook it on medium-high heat again. Here comes dry basil leaves. A big pinch goes in and let this puree boil on medium-high heat. You may want to check salt at this stage. Now when it is boiled, turn off the heat. Soup is ready. Now for tempering the soup, some butter or makhan, oil or tel, both things go together on medium-high heat only. Add in cumin seeds or zira and let the seeds splutter. These cumin seeds should be blackish in color, a little burnt for nice flavor and aroma in the soup. When done, put it in the soup and immediately put the lid on. Let the flavors infuse. Open after a minute and the soup is ready. Garnish with finely chopped cilantro. Enjoy it as is or with fried breadcrumbs. To fry bread pieces, cut a bread slice into smaller pieces. Deep fry or shallow fry, your choice. And use these pieces to garnish soup. You can also garnish your soup with some cream. Enjoy this healthy soup without any preservatives, without any chemicals. Isn't this very easy to make? You can enjoy this any day, anytime. Thanks for watching.